Hey everyone, welcome back to RS Computer Solutions. In today's video, I'll show you how to activate GodMode in Windows 11. GodMode in Windows 11 is a hidden control panel that provides access to over 200 advanced settings in one place. Follow these steps to enable GodMode on your PC. Create a new folder on the desktop. Copy and paste the following name as the folder name. Rename the folder with the GodMode code. Press Enter. Open the GodMode folder. The folder icon will change to a control panel icon. Double-click it to access all system settings in one place. Key features of GodMode: access administrative tools, backup, network settings, display options, and more. Manage user accounts, security settings, and device configurations. Works on Windows 11, Windows 10, and older versions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.